All right, Math 7, your next Khan Academy is scale copies. Um, Two different ways they're going to ask this question. Either way is pretty simple, but we just need to go through it. So you need to know that figure A, or figure B is a scale copy of figure A, meaning they take figure A times some scale factor to equal the scale factor in letter B. So in order to get from 10.5 to x, they're telling you they multiplied by a scale factor of 2/3. So we need to take 10.5 times 2/3. If you don't remember how to multiply a number by a fraction, here's kind of how you do it. You take the 10.5 times the numerator, and then whatever that answer is, you divide by the denominator. Again, take the 10.5, multiply by the numerator, whatever that result is, you divide by the denominator. So we're going to take our 10.5 times 2, which is 21, and then we'll take 21 divided by 3, which is 7. So our answer is 7, meaning x would equal 7, because it's 2/3 the size of this. It's smaller than that. Let's do one more. All right, so here is this one. They give us this figure with this side of 10 and this side of 16. They give us this figure with this side of 12 and this side of x. They don't give us the scale factor, meaning we have to figure out what that scale factor is, or at least we need to figure out what x is. And in order to do this, this is really set up just like a proportion. So we have 10 is to 12 as 16 is to x. So if we set this up in a proportion, we would have 10 is to 12.5 like 16 is to x. And if you remember in the proportions, you can do this one of two ways. 10 times what equals 16? Well, if you figure it out, it would be 1.6. So then 12.5 times 1.6 would be 20. So that's one way of doing it. Or if you remembered, if you ever get a one that doesn't work and you just can't figure out that scale factor, it's not a nice number, you can always do 12.5 times 16, which is 200, and then take that number and divide it by the 10. 200 divided by 10 is 20. That's all you're doing, guys. Good luck. We'll see you at Google Hangouts. Bye-bye.